Put your hands up in the air. Hey. What is your name, Mr. Cat? Hey.
I'm hungry.
No, me too. Why would you do that? No! Bad kitty. I'm gonna have to kiss you now. Give me your arm. Oh, you like that? Just kidding. Ew, don't kiss the cat. What are you doing? You don't want to kiss him.
Make us a song again.
Put your hands up in the air. Put your paws up in the air. Give me your other paw. Put your hands up.
Put your legs up in the air.
Put your arms and your legs in the air. Put your arms in the air. Put your arms and your legs in the air. Put your arms in the air. Put your legs in the eggs. In the eggs.
Look
at
eggs
she's
going to sleep.
In the eggs.
She's going. Look at her tongue.
You're so cute. Did you hear your mom? She said, shut up. She said, keep it in. Let's come to the cozy door, alright?
Did you say come here? Why? I'll be quiet. Ah, cat's attacking me! Cat's attacking me! Okay. Whoa, there's a camera here. Just kidding.